Closing arguments are set to get underway first thing tomorrow morning in the trial of John Butler. That's after both sides rested and closed their cases after calling their final witnesses to testify today. Josh Hoggard has been inside the courtroom in Vernon for testimony. He joins us now with the very latest.
Yeah, Daryl, the final witness for the prosecution today, an expert in child sexual abuse, who's taken the stand in a number of similar Texoma cases. As for the final witness for Butler's defense, it was none other than the defendant himself. Testimony resumed this morning in the 46th District Court in Vernon, with prosecutors calling their final witness, child sexual abuse expert Lindsay Dula, who has taken the stand in a number of recent child sexual abuse cases, like that of Willie Hernandez, James Esmond, and most recently, the trial of Anthony Patterson. Dula testified, quote, child sexual abuse is very complex, that a victim will often internalize shame and embarrassment, and that, along with the fear that they won't be believed, can lead to a delayed outcry. Dula also testified that a perpetrator can groom not only the victim, but the victim's caregiver, as well as their community, creating an image of themselves that would lead people to assume any allegations made against them are false. After the state rested its case and a few more witnesses testified for the defense, John Butler Jr. himself took the witness stand, calling the allegations against him, quote, absolutely incorrect, absolutely false. Butler testified that his work history was immaculate, adding that he was a supervisor or in leadership at several positions, and that he coached sports at the Boys and Girls Club in Vernon. Butler was cross-examined by Will Barker County Attorney Staley Heatley, who pressed Butler regarding his community image as well as his criminal history. And when Heatley asked Butler if the alleged victim had any reason to lie, Butler responded, quote, I think she could be given a reason to lie, suggesting that the child may have been coached by someone else. After Butler's time on the stand was done, both sides rested and closed the case. And now Butler's fate is placed in the hands of this Will Barker County jury made up of 6 men and 6 women who will hear closing arguments from the prosecution and the defense first thing tomorrow morning. Then they'll deliberate until they reach a unanimous verdict. If convicted, Butler faces up to life in prison. From the Will Barker County Courthouse, I'm Josh Hoggard.
Okay, Josh, thanks so much for that. For all the details from this trial, all you have to do is head over to Josh's story at Texomashomepage.com.